Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, we'll tell you how to earn over 100% profit using express orders with the Pocket Option broker. To start trading express orders, go to the Express Orders tab in the broker's terminal, which is located in the right sidebar. In the Express Order panel, you'll see trading assets at a glance. Currency pairs are listed first, followed by commodities, stocks, or selected assets. You can also filter assets on the panel, where you can filter assets either by name or by profitability, or manually enter the name of the asset. You'll also be able to immediately see instructions for express orders, which provide more detailed information about how they work. Please note that no matter which express order you place, it will always have a payout of over 100%. However, an express order can only be created from a minimum of 3 assets. You can also view open and closed express orders on the dashboard. You can create an express order from any asset. For example, you could use one currency pair, or oil, or a company stock. As a result, 3 assets are quite enough for a profitable express order. And if this order turns out to be profitable, even with a trade amount of $10, a profit of over $70 can be made. With a $100 trade, the expected profit is $708, for a total payout of 608%. The express order's profitability can be increased by adding new assets. The more assets you add, the higher the payout percentage. In this express order, 6 assets can generate a profit of almost 5,000% if the outcome is positive. This is all with a 1-minute expiration. Any express order can also be adjusted before it's confirmed, removing any of the assets and adding new ones. To remove an unneeded asset, click the trash can icon, then add a new one or leave it as is. You can also select different expirations for each asset in an express order. To do this, click the timer below the asset and then select the desired expiration. Consequently, you can create an express order from any number of assets, each with a completely different expiration. That is, one asset could have an expiration of 1 hour, another with only 1 minute, and a third with a 4-hour expiration. Once you've selected the assets for your express order, all you have to do is enter the trade amount and click Confirm. You can then track your Open Express order in the Open tab. When trading express orders, there are several factors to consider. Despite the potential profitability of express orders, they do have some drawbacks. The main drawback is that it's quite difficult to predict the outcome of an express order consisting of 3 assets. The more assets in an express order, the more difficult it is to make a profit. If you plan to trade express orders, it's essential to test them on a demo account and develop specific strategies to help predict future prices. You can find effective strategies and indicators on our website in the corresponding sections, links to which will be in the description below the video. In addition, you can find a wealth of other useful information on binary options on our website. We wish you successful trading.